Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another fixation video. This is Oraimo wrap. I was using this in a farm. It's been like 2 years. No, not 2 years. It's like a year now since I started using it. So I'm presuming there's been a lot of dirt or dust entering this thing. It's giving me some itchy sounds, and then it doesn't connect. So I want to open and then see. Yes. My hands are itchy as usual. The last video I did, most of my guys were complaining I didn't show them how I fixed the boom play. I'm very sorry for that video. This one, I just want to show everybody how I'm going to do it. So it's currently on. I'll just turn it off from here. Power off. Okay. And now these are some of the tools I'm going to use. I don't normally use any other tools. These are normal brushes. This is an old toothbrush of mine. This is a surgical blade, and then my screwdriver. Okay, my screwdriver. Now I have spirit with me here. Normal spirit. Normal spirit. Yeah, so keep us going. We are going to be in surgery, so we have to keep everything sterilized. Yes. Yes, you have to make sure everything is sterilized. Okay, so first and foremost, you have to open this thing. Looking at the design, it's like you open from the side, right? You open from the side. Okay. So you open from one side and just open, okay? Don't be afraid that it will break. Nothing gets broken. It won't break. Don't worry. We've had enough of these things worrying us too much. Here we go. All right, so this is it. You see, as I was saying, you have a lot of dust in there. I'm sure that's what been giving me this feedback I've been getting. So we just clean it up. Then the brush is very soft. This brush is very soft. Don't use a hard brush. Use a soft one. If you can get anything that is very soft, okay, and easy to clean it. Okay. All right. So here we go. If you can get a blower, you're not supposed to be touching this part of the speaker with this thing, the brush. But if you can get a blower, that would be the best option. I'm just using this to to clean this part of the woofer. Okay, I'll use another object to clean the interior part of the speaker. Okay, or you can just blow with your mouth. Okay, and then you can see what will happen. Yes. So okay, so I blew it up. It gave something small, but no, what else? Let's see what will happen. Yeah, I know somebody will tell me that you don't have to use this thing to be cleaning this thing. In my part of the community, they will tell you there are so many ways of killing a cat. So don't worry about that. Okay? We want it fixed. That's the most important thing. So we do whatever we can to get it fixed. We do whatever we can to win. Yeah. There we go. Clean it up, babe. Clean it up. I'm getting you, guy. I'm getting you cleaned up. All right. Let's see how it goes.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
All right. So it works fine.